Okay, hi everybody. Vacations have finally started. We've passed in all subjects. PSP, I don't know, she's passed PSP. But then let's start. Yeah, lab. DS, I cleared DS. I got a BC grade. Finer mind. Great stuff. So we're trying to enjoy vacations. Right. First thing what we did was no. we tried to go for a movie. What did we do? Okay, let's take it. No, we were just going to college. Yes, we were just going to college, feed our papers. Like, I was like all relieved that I've passed subjects. This lady used to bargain with all teachers. Also, till now, all we did was go to college, check our papers. Then once after that, we even tried to go for a movie. But then we were getting going on. Yeah, it's still going on. And then we tried. Okay, we tried. We went. There were only two tickets available. Yes, very far away. So we so desperately said, we don't want those tickets. The man was looking at us as if we were something. Yes, that was creepy. So yeah, next we finally come to this Japanese garden. We've been planning since ever. And we were there. Tomorrow we are again planning for the same movie. Wow. I think we'll never go for that movie, but we'll try. We'll try our best, like we did in exam. So yeah. Do you know the history of this garden, Gayatri, Rajamani?
No, it's just like Pratishir did Pratika Japanese garden.
What?
And they have made in Japan there's a garden similar to like this. They have made just the image of that in Pune.
Oh.
So it is called a Japanese.
And there's a waterfall.
Yeah. And in that another garden, there is very good colorful waterfall.
Which garden? Which other?
There is two gardens in the same and there is also a playground.
So we'll be going there?
Yeah. Okay.
I think the Japanese people have a bath in something like this. Japanese, Chinese people have this.
What do you want to do?
Click. Are she'll hit us with the stick she has in her hand. See. Guys, Gayatri wants us hidden by that stick.
No. You want to go up?
She's sitting over here in the water so desperately. What our Gayatri Rajmane Sai does is to remove her shoes and she throws it in this water. Can you imagine? She threw it. Azim needs to know this. Azim needs to know. It's going to go on YouTube.
No.
I should have again captured that expression. Why am I not capturing the right thing? Again, once more. She's gonna go on YouTube.
You can't see this, record this also.
Not interested.
We went inside the water and she dropped me.
I didn't drop her. She's slipping in this water. I mean, it's very clean. In India, I mean, this is the cleanest water we can actually find.
Actually, they were saying Bisleri water.
I heard. Bisleri water.
Bisleri water.
Why don't they have a what she's saying? Let's wait, I'll show you. We're taking pictures, okay? Our feet are like wet, half or like quarter.
Again?
Yes, quarter of the jeans is. Your jeans is not wet. My jeans is wet. Very good.
What all do you do with the jeans?
I'll wear shorts and come next time.
Yeah.
So we are taking pictures. My jeans is ready.
We plan for coming.
And I'll say everything is going fine. She's like, let's sit in the water.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll go swim in the water. Yes, that's what you said, lady.
I said I will sit on the stones, not in the water.
What part is not wet? Dude,
Half.
dude, that doesn't. My hand is bigger than that. Forget sitting on that.
Okay, then we leave this place. We'll go in front.
Get my feet dry now that will go.
Hey, we just knocked out. We'll go take a full hand.
Now we're climbing up. Hopefully that'll be a beautiful scene. Light problems. Even I want to roll down like that.
Yeah. You'll sit on seesaw.
Yeah,
The
sure.
seesaw is there. Then what we call it? Swing is there and even slanting. Gusargunding.
Gusargunding no. Slide.
Yeah, slide. I'm forgetting all those things.
Arey, the guy's name is...
No.
Yes.
He was Atharva, he told me.
Oh, Athar, yeah. 2 guys manager. हाँ, then...
So Atharva called
Wait a
me.
minute. This is for to water the entire garden. Look at these 2 kids, they're having a bath there. Option. Hot bird. This is where it goes and then to the entire garden. The garden is lit right now. Beautiful. And then Gayatri madam. What she tells, she gets my money every time.
Yeah.
But she forgets to give it.
Don't forget, you were not available for the first time I bought, and second time I forget. I agree.
And third time, yeah, well, second time she wanted you to go somewhere. And also sarcastically, not in sarcastically, it was like
She went to that thing. She went over there. That time I had. That time we were planning for a movie. I brought her money also for giving, but she only gave that.
no, before that I formality के तौर पे asked Neil if you would like to come with me and Gayatri. Then as for Neil said yes. No, what was I supposed to do in life? Yeah, it was just a
I was not
formality.
knowing that need and
But you could sense something.
each other.
You could sense something was wrong, right?
Yeah. Same thing Neil said after that. Same thing you said. Right? Then I have come.
That day she calls me up and she's like, where are we going now? I ask her, is your phone on speaker? She's like, no, it's not on speaker. I was like, is Neil coming with us? She's like, yes. I was like, then I'm not coming. And then I keep the call and then...
Because of him, she reached me on that day, you know.
Yeah, because Neil was more important.
Sad. No, not important. We were waiting for you.
Can you hold it on our face? And talk.
So, wait,
Please go.
worst, half a
No,
more than half a
she
blur.
She knows the side profile